Welcome everybody to another episode of the Unbox Minute. Today we're going to be looking at the Osmo Mobile 6 Gimbal from manufacturer DJI. Looking at the back of the box, there is some information on the features, which includes the stabilization mechanism, the face tracking system, the included hold rail, and other features. You will also need to install the companion app, and you can get that from the respective app store. Let's open up the box and take a look at what's inside. Now that we have the box open, printed on the back of the cover is the quick start guide in terms of connecting and setting up the gimbal, scanning the QR code for the software, etc. There is a documentation kit, and then the first of the elements, which is the phone holder. We also have some rubber pads. Next off is the tripod. So this can be used if you want to place the phone on the ground. And finally, the main gimbal mechanism. So this is the stem that you hold in your hand. There are buttons to power the device on, as well as other controls, the USB outlet, and the mechanical moving arm. Let's set this aside and take a quick look at the documentation. A really nice high quality carry case, user information on using the device, a safety booklet, and finally some warranty information. The last item in the case is the USB charging cable, which is Type-C at the device end and Type-A for the computer or charging end. We have been using this gimbal for the past few weeks, and we do have some footage which we're currently editing for our full deep dive video. So do get subscribed so that you can see our full experience with this Osmo Mobile 6 device. Hope you're enjoying our content. Don't forget to like and share this with your friends, and see you in the next one.